Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer Skills, and this is our fifth tutorial and I am your friend Omkar. So today we will learn design tab, and in the previous lecture we have completed home tab. Well, the home tab was something bigger what we completed that. In design tab we will complete this in one tutorial only. It is not much, but for that I will open new presentation by pressing shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus N. Okay, so I will go in design, and you can see here there are various designs provided over here. You can just move your cursor over them. You can see where these are also like we discussed the font styles, right? We discuss over here the font style, quick styles, font styles. Similarly, this is the design style. We use this for a presentation. For a quick presentation, we use this. There are many options provided. You can see here there are three arrows basically. This is the first column. You can see this is the upside arrow to move towards the upside, downside, and this is to open the every slide. Okay, you can see many slides are provided, and every slide has its different layouts also. Let me select this slide. As I will select this slide, you can see some considerable changes. Sometimes in shape fill you can see the colors are changed, right? When at the first time the colors were very much different, I will say totally different. This time the colors have changed. Now the layout may also have changed. See, the layout is also changed. Some more layouts are added, right? Some more layouts. Now we will again go in design tab. We will again change the theme, and we will again see what happens. Go in here, home, shape fill. You can see again the colors are changed. The layouts are also changed at some extent. But what if I want to bring the colors back? See, variants. In this, you can change the color. Now if I go in home, shape will see the again the colors are changed, right? Now if I again go in design tab, I will again open this tab. You can see colors. There are various palettes of color. You can choose over here. Home tab. See, this were our basic office color. When I choose the option, that is color option, in color option, when I choose the office, I get my original color. But has the design over here, has the themes changes, the color palette also changes. But you can select the default one, the fonts. So you can select the font also, the default font from your effect. You can also select the effects over here, that is the border effects of the shapes, the smart art tool, background styles. You can also customly select them. Well, it's very easy and it helps the presenter to make presentation very easily, right? Okay, so there are many. You can also browse from internet themes, save current theme, many things. Now here, slide size. Now you can change the slide size over here. This is 16 is to 9 ratio, and this is 4 is to 3 ratio. Ensure fit. Now this is when we use. Now for example, I have included one picture over here, and if I say minimize, it will crop the slide. But I will say if ensure fit, it will not crop the picture. Instead it will also place the picture by making it small. You can also make the customly slide. sizes over here, landscape, portrait, you can see the portrait, then notes, handouts and outlines, landscape, and you can see the height of the slide, width, slide speed. You can get many options from here how you want and say just okay. Again, see, it changes, right? So you can change the slides from here, the you can change the themes, variants, also the slide size, format background. You know what is this format background? This is the format background tab only. Now one more thing I will like to include you, that the one option available in Microsoft PowerPoint software, you can see this at 100 places in this software only. Now take the example of this only now. Shape tools. You will also see this shape tools in the format tool. In the format tab you will see the same shape tools, right? So you can get it at many places. So there are only not one option, you will see multiple options of one thing. See the comment, this is the comment is here. I can see the comment, also something over here. See comment, these are the same. See, I press comment, the comment option open. Again I will press it from here, the same tab will be open. So what I have to tell, basically one thing which you can see on one tab, you will find it also in another tabs. So there is no need to worry or say that this may be different, everything is same only. The basic concept is you should know all the basic, you should know what is used for what. Okay, so then you can do everything easily. So this was all about the design tab, and you can see we have covered it. Now assignment. Assignment is that you can choose anything from here, any variant from here, any slide size if you want. Then this is optional. This two you have to do. You can select any theme and any color variants you want. Okay, this is your assignment. For example, I have done this. This is my assignment. So you have to do this assignment. Okay. So thank you and bye bye.